to do a pre-poo, and I am also, so it's going to be a 2-in-1. I am also going to do the little rubber band thingy, no blow dryer. So I'm going to use aloe vera. I'm going to use aloe, and I'm going to use one of my pre-poo treatment. So I'm actually going to treat her here. All you do it, you section the hair in 4. If you want, you can go ahead and section it in 2, but the main thing about it is to apply it to the root, to the scalp. Yeah, so we're going to begin. So we section the hair like this. Hold up your edge on it, and you're going to use space, and you can always dig your finger in it so you get more gel. I'm going to apply it to the root, to the scalp. Give it to daddy. And then you apply a little oil. So we're not long here, yeah? After I do this section, is slow. The other section, you speed up now. And as I said before, you dig into it to get more. Notice you're getting more gel. Yes, guys. So when you finish the first half and you see it look dry, you don't have to throw it away because there's more gel inside of it. So as I said before, apply it. And aloe vera have a lot of benefit to the hair and also to the skin. You use your finger cushion. Normally after I've done one section, I'd use a cushion bed of my finger and massage the aisle. Massage the aisle into the hair. But as I go along, I'll just massage it because my little niece here is damaged. So we're trying our best to get everything in. And it is very good, you know, guys. It is very good to treat your hair every now and then. Yes, because remember that your hair is your beauty, so you want to make sure so your hair up and running, you know. As a matter of fact, it will come like one vehicle. You notice how one car, if you don't service the car and something like that, it pop down, you know. So you have to service the body and something. Sort out with ear and so. Alright, so with this section, you go ahead after this. You go ahead and you do the next 3. You notice her hair kinda thick up because I want to look a hot girl, you know. When she ready, she just pull out her ear and do her ear her own self. So oh, so as I said, the aloe vera to the root, then the oil base. So after you finish applying the oil to the hair, you are going to massage. You're going to massage the oil into the hair. Massage the oil into the hair. And you can put a little at the tip. Right. So there's two ways to it. The first way, or I did this one, and then the second way you can go ahead and apply the aloe vera first. Go ahead and apply the aloe vera to the scalp first, and then you apply the oil. You apply the oil after. The aloe vera define our curls. You see it? The aloe vera defines her curls. So she have a 4C. She have a 4C texture here. You see it? Yeah. So after you apply the aloe vera, as I said, you go ahead now and apply the oil. So anyway, it's easier for you guys. Anyone you think is easier, but I prefer the go ahead and apply the aloe vera and the oil at the same time. I prefer that one. So after you do all of this, apply it to the root, apply a little to the ear end, then you go ahead and use the cushion bed of your finger and massage in the oil. Massage in the oil. How you hear feeding, Shanae? Feed, go get your review for now. Watch it take a piece. So Niki's going to ask her a few questions.
So, how do you feel right now, Shani?
I feel excited.
What was that?
I feel excited
Why?
because my hair finally get treated.
Okay. So, how is the treatment? How does it feel?
It feels nice, especially when she put the oil on my scalp.
Okay. Okay.
Soft. Any difference, see?
For this treatment now, would you want it every month or every day?
Every day.
Unfortunately, you have to get it every 2 weeks. You have to get it every 2 weeks. And the thing about it also, guys, the aloe vera and the oil is even a natural detangle. Because if you notice, the hair here tough up, see it? And see the difference when you when you put it in it, the comb actually going through her hair, so she don't have any crunch up face when it is doing. See it? And the scalp pretty. Right, I can stop it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
Mommy, why bite?
It's too big for bite. Suck some more.
Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
So you see, if Shade rub it out, it will melt out. Shade. You can buy cheesecake. You can't buy cheesecake. Give me the phone.